Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system, and this solution is also applicable for Windows 10. So you have to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, you need to right click on this start icon, then click on settings. Now you have to click on these three lines and go to the apps section. Now just scroll down and go for startup. So apps can be configured to start when you logged in or you start your computer on laptop. So you have to disable all these options from the startup section, the Cortana, Microsoft Edge. So this will reduce usage, and then close this window. Again press Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also go for here, search RUN, and then open it. Now type here ms config and hit enter. So you will get this window. Now go to the services tab and check this box that will hide all Microsoft services, and from here you need to click on disable all. So click on apply and then OK. And if you not get these options checked, so you have to just check all these options and click on disable all. So click on apply and then OK. Then you have to restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. Don't forget to check out the pin comment, that will also gonna help you a lot to fix this issue. So check out and like the video, and please do subscribe the channel.